Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kraken API keys in mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by obtaining your API keys from your Kraken account. Log into your Kraken account on their official website. Navigate to the API section found in your account settings. Create a new API key by selecting the option to generate a new key. Configure the permissions for your API key according to your app's needs. Make sure to enable only the permissions required for your mobile application. Once configured, copy the generated API key as well as the secret key. Open your mobile app project in your preferred development environment. Add a secure method to store your API keys in the app. Avoid hard-coding your API keys directly into your source code to enhance security. Implement a secure storage solution, such as the keychain on iOS or shared preferences on Android. Create a function to handle API requests using these keys. Utilize an HTTP library to manage your requests, such as Axios or Fetch. Set up the base URL for the Kraken API endpoints in your application code. In your function, include the necessary headers to authenticate requests with your API key. Make sure to include the API key and sign the requests using the secret key. Use the correct HTTP methods per the Kraken API documentation for different endpoints. Test your authentication by making a request to a public endpoint. Handle potential errors, such as invalid API keys or network issues, gracefully. Monitor the API responses to ensure that your app functions as expected. Continue refining the authentication process as necessary based on testing outcomes. Stay updated with any changes in Kraken's API documentation for best practices. Review and update your security measures periodically to protect your API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.